Hi, I'm Grant Garcia, one of the sports knee and shoulder surgeons here. Today we're going to show a video testimonial. This is again of this newer procedure that we're talking about. So this is a patient, she actually is about almost 60 years old. She's very active. She found out she had an ACL tear, and we don't always offer surgery. And again, we went through all the different options, non-operative, operative recommendations, but she just really was unstable and not happy. And she had a special type of tear, basically a tear off the femur. And she was a candidate for this new ACL repair, which is a little bit more minimally invasive with a faster recovery, and has been excellent in this patient population. So you can see she's done very well. She's back to everything she wants to do. She has no restrictions, and hopefully you enjoy her video testimonial. Thanks.
Hi. I was just wanting to share my experience with you about how I was able to get in for this new technique with Dr. Garcia. I tore my ACL last summer, and I was immediately referred to Dr. Garcia, who gave me some options for surgery, but had a new technique that I used. He was able to get me right in for surgery, and after the surgery I had virtually no pain. It was amazing. I was expecting to have a lot of downtime, but I got immediately into physical therapy, and I was able to heal way faster than I had imagined. So I got the ACL repair surgery, and I was back to almost to running within less than 4 months. So I was extremely satisfied with the results, and I still, to this day, which is about maybe 6 to 8 months later, I'm back to all my activities. I'm running, I'm hiking, I'm doing everything that I did before, all my gym classes. So it's just been an overall outstanding experience.